Want to run a scam? Easy. Don't bother with science. Just grab stuff that looks scientific. Step 1. Spark plugs. What do they actually do? They pass voltage from the ignition coil to the engine. That's it. They don't make power. They don't store power. They just spark. But they look complicated, and that's all a scammer needs. So let's glue two spark plugs together. Why two? Because two look twice as technical as one. Add hot melt glue and suddenly, science. Now we need a coil. Doesn't matter how big, how small, how many turns. Just wrap some wire around a tube and boom, instant free energy. This guy does 12 turns and claims it makes 220 volts. Quick math? That's 18 volts per turn, which is total nonsense. Next, solder it all together. Spark plugs, coil, random wires. Congratulations, you've built a device that looks impressive and does absolutely nothing. But wait, still not techy enough. Easy fix, more wire. Always more wire. And of course, magnets. Every fake invention needs magnets. Because magnetic energy sounds smart. Stick one on with hot glue and suddenly you're Nikola Tesla's long-lost cousin. Not enough magnets? Fine. Let's shove two more inside the coil. Why? Who cares? Magnets make it believable. Now the big finale, the light bulb. This is where the scammer shows off his free power. Here's the trick. That bulb has its own little battery inside. Touch the wires together and the hidden battery turns it on. Looks impressive until you realize you can buy the exact same gag bulb online for $5. So he pops it in, it lights, and he's acting like he's cracked the secrets of the universe. Look, Mum, I invented something nobody needed. Now here's the funny part. Watch the wires. One bulb wire goes to the coil, which goes to the spark plug, which does nothing. The other bulb wire? Straight to the other end of the coil. And boom, the bulb lights. Why? Because he's literally shorting the bulb's hidden battery. That's it. And to top it off, he pretends the coil has 220 volts on it and touches it dramatically, like he's risking electrocution. Spoiler, if there really were 220 volts, we'd be watching a live Darwin Award. So, what's the grand invention? A useless lump of spark plugs, magnets, and glue, powering a light bulb that runs on its own battery. Scam exposed. Science, still safe.